Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Solutions channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how we can able to automate mainframes or the terminal application using the Power Automate desktop. In Power Automate desktop, we usually connecting to the mainframes using the two different ways. One is the personal communication from IBM or the PCOMM or the micro focus reflection. These are the two different ways we can able to connect. First, I will be showing how we can able to connect using the PCOMM. So in order to do that, we require a IBM personal communication application installed along with the mapping of the DLL. In current scenario, I am using the DLL path inside the programming files and IBM folder. So this is the path we need to tag, and the provider will be first one, and the session name I will be giving as a session A. Manually, let me show you how we can able to configure the particular terminal sessions. Here, depending upon the type of the host, we need to select, and we need to select the interface, whether it's a LAN or a port, and the particular kind of telnet we need to use. So I will be using the 3270 series, and we need to map with the host name or the port number. So currently, I already saved one of configuration. I will be using that one. We need to first enter the host name and the port number, depending upon your connections. And if you are using the organization level or the company related one, we need to make sure that enable the security option. So it will be getting connected to the Power Automate desktop. I already used the saved script. Let me quickly open that one. So here I saved the configuration. This is the IBM Jet series and it will be a trial version currently for the testing. I will be logging on manually. This action I will be doing using the Power Automate desktop, how we can able to capture the data, enter the data and set the data or the wait for until particular action is completed. So let me quickly show you what are the different actions available to automate the mainframes. We have the open terminal session. In order to connect it to the open terminal solution, we make sure that respective services are already in the starter state. If it is PCOMM services are not starting, you can use a run command to particular exe file we can able to launch or run. If you have already configured connection, we can able to launch that as a script and then we can run. And here, like I told you before, we need to configure the particular DL, this EHLAP. So we need to place the DLL path and a particular session name. If it is the session here, we can mention that as a session. And we need to, I'm just for the testing scenario, I'm just getting the text of entire screen. And I will be using the set text command, which will be logging to the particular user ID and password. This is the one way we can able to do. Another way is using the open text micro focus. Here we have to configure the respective host and port numbers in the action itself, the particular location of the installation of that path, like micro focus location path, and the which host type we are getting connected, whether it's a 3270 or 5250. We will need to mention and we need to enter the respective host address. The same actions we can able to use, wait for until particular session is started, and get text. We are using the entire screen and set text to the particular login screen, and we are just entering the command. This is the IBM PCOMM application where we will be using configuration here, communication tab under the configuration. Shadow link parameter, we will be able to get the configuration. And on another application I will be using was the open text micro focus. So even this one I already configured the similar way how we did for the PCOMM. Using these two tools, we can able to running the mainframe application. First, let me quickly show you in a Power Automate desktop. In first method, I will be using PCOMM session and I can quickly run. So it is launched and enter the credentials, login credentials, and the next screen will be the password one. So even I want to automate that application, let me quickly enter the password. Where we need to enter the password and which location we need to depending upon the particular field, whether it's we have to decide using the row and column of that one. So if it is a row 8 and the column 20, that location we need to enter the particular password. This is for the login screen where the user ID is getting entered, and currently password row will be the 8 and the column will be the 20, and the particular position we are entering the password. Currently I have the password which is related to the trial version for the testing purpose. You can use your organization password under as a password field in the encrypted file. Let's test right now. The error shows we need to have in the current active session. Let me quickly close this and run again from the beginning. Let's enter the user ID. Okay, one more thing I forgot. We need to, after entering the password, we need to wait for that particular screen. There is a wait text action. As you can see here, we can select any kind of particular screen text related if it is a unique one. I will be using the flash login as mentioned here. And this command will be executed as a enter. These are the different actions we can able to use: the move cursor to the particular location of green screen, and the get text from the green screen, and the set text we are entering the data, and the send key we are just like how we are giving the send keys to our regular UI screens. Wait for the text action, search for the text action. We can able to search particular text. As you can see, the currently when we are getting the text, it took for the entire screen. It can able to get enter the screen related text and all. Okay, let me quickly close and rerun again. So it's enter the password and is going for the next screen. We can able to enter more options like getting which screen to go using the just send keys action based upon the rows and columns here. Suppose I just want to see the different IBM products, I will be entering 9 and clicking the enter button. And I want to see the structure of the particular text related to that one. I will be entering the 4. Want to get capture this text, and we can able to use position or the enter screen command to read it using the read command. We can able to use that way. So all these manual actions I already did inside one of the subflow. So it will able to capture that entire data. One more thing, when we are not automating that particular session, we need to make sure that closing the particular session, otherwise it will be in a background active one. Another method or another way we can able to automate is using the micro focus reflection. Like I told you previously, we will be using the host address and post number or port number directly in itself. Let me quickly close this one and run this command. So the pre-configured one, we need to call it as a run application to make sure that it is running the particular services in the background. Always use the action wait for text because of it will be considered as a dynamic wait until the text is appeared on the session screen. It will not move further. So it's enter the password and the next actions we already did for the previous PCOMM. You can simply copy paste those actions and try to run again. As you can see, it's enter the password as well, and it is closing the session. Because before going further, I close the session using this command. Capture the exact text on the screen as well. Okay, this is way we can able to automate using for automate desktop. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time.